Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a very quick review video, and I hope the lighting is okay because I'm filming in my bathroom. So right now I have no mascara on. Basically these days my makeup is very minimal. I like to go for a nice light base makeup with some blush, bronzing, like contouring kind of thing, and a dark lipstick. So for my eyes, I like to most of the time ignore doing my eyes that much, and I like to just dab on loads of mascara. And this is a mascara which I have really been loving. It's the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This is the non-waterproof version. Because in the end of the day I like to apply the mascara on my upper lashes, and I don't like to apply any mascara on my lower lash line because my eyes are very sensitive and my eyes water very easily. If I am laughing, my eyes water, so I don't want to in the end of the day end up with panda eyes. So this way I avoid any makeup on my lower lash line, any kajal also I avoid applying any kajal eyeliner on. So this is how it looks like. I got it from Nykaa website. You can also buy this from Amazon India website and any Maybelline store. It's easily available in India. The price I'll mention down below. It's very affordable. And most of the time Nykaa does some kind of sale on Maybelline makeup products. So as you can see, the mascara wand is very thick and fat. So it gives that nice volume and length that I need. Now this is the third coat. So I usually go for at least minimum 3 coats with this mascara, and as you can see the difference. And now I'm going to apply 3 coats on this eye, and then I'm going to come back and show you. So this is how my makeup looks in the end with the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. So yeah, I'll just put it closer. From before and after, I don't mind how it looks. I really like this mascara. Yeah. So I hope you all like this video, and if you do, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below, click the subscription button, and on top of that, don't forget to click on the bell icon in order to find out whenever I upload any future videos. You guys will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.